You are going to be earning free USDT every single day and make withdrawals from this EFSANE crypto project. Yes, you heard me right, just like that. On my previous video I made about this project, I got a lot of questions like, does EFSANE really pay? If it does, how can I withdraw my USDT I've been earning out of the platform? Trust me, your questions will be answered. Like I promised on my previous video that I'm going to make a full withdrawal video and you guys will see how it works. And this is the withdrawal video. So for you to get access to this project, register and start earning, all you have to do is to go to the comment section right now and type go. Yes, just comment go and I will send the link directly to you. So this is how to go about the withdrawal. But before that, please like this video, follow and subscribe. You haven't done what I said, just do it. It doesn't take you anything. Please, before I withdraw, allow me to explain these two gems for you. Yes, these two gems, Gem Cash and Gem. Allow me to explain about it for you. I've been getting a lot of questions concerning this. This is all you need to know about these gems. Normally, this is the gem we earn mostly. Yes, most of the time, this is the gem we earn. This gem, you cannot withdraw it anytime you want. Yes, it's not like Gem Cash that you can convert to USDT and withdraw out of the platform. This one is only when they launch their official token. You can swap it to the official token. Even the official token is not withdrawable yet until they launch it. Yes, once they list it, you can trade it. But for now, it's only Gem Cash that you can withdraw out and convert into USDT for now. So right now, you need to pay attention to your Gem Cash balance. Focus on earning more Gem Cash because that's what you can convert to your USDT and withdraw out of the platform. That's the one that is withdrawable right now. The other ones will be there. Yes, it has value, but it will be there for now until they list their official token before you can trade it. So I know you want to be earning and withdrawing your money anytime, any day, anytime you want. So focus on earning Gem Cash. You can also invite your friends. I have talked about this before. Invite your friends. Don't be ashamed to share your invite link. Go to the comment section and drop your link there. Drop as many as you can so that newbies will come and use it, and also so that your own link will stand out among others because other people will also drop. Not everything I will tell you. So back to the main purpose for this video, which is to withdraw. So before we withdraw direct, you must swap our Gem Cash into USDT, then withdraw the USDT. That's how it works. So click on Flash Swap. So we are going to select Gem Cash up here and also select USDT here. So we are swapping from Gem Cash to USDT. So instead of scrolling down to look for USDT, all you have to do is to search it USDT and it will come out, then select it. So next step is for you to select the amount of Gem Cash you want to swap into USDT. So if you are selling or if you want to swap all, tap on maximum. So after doing all that, tap on confirm and confirm again. As you can see, swap successful. All we have to do is to go back and withdraw the USDT out of the platform. Now, as you can see, after swapping, we now have it on USDT instead of Gem Cash. Click withdrawal. So click on max, depending on how many USDT you want to withdraw out. Minimum is 11 USDT. So under receiving blockchain, select Binance. So enter your receiving address, which is the address you want to withdraw it to. You can get it from any exchanges of your choice. So for me, let me go to my Bybit exchange and copy my USDT address. On your exchange, go to deposit, select USDT, select BSC chain, which is the Binance Smart Chain. And if you notice, we choose that Binance on the EFSANE platform. Yes, if you select other blockchain than Binance Smart Chain, which you select, it will result in loss of funds. So after that, copy your USDT address here. Then head over to your EFSANE and paste it there. So after that, as you can see, you will be charged a handling fee of 1 USDT. So it's just like gas fees they charge you on exchanges before you make transaction. So click on confirm. So in this place, all you have to do is to tap on get verification code, then complete the human verification captcha. Then after that, a code will be sent to your WhatsApp. Copy the code and paste it and tap on confirm. So as you can see, it says withdrawal submitted successfully. So normally within 5 minutes, you're supposed to receive the USDT to the destination address. I would like you to pay attention up here. As you can see, the time is 11:23. And also pay attention to the exact amount of USDT I'm about to receive, which is 14.21. Just pay attention. So let's see how many minutes it will take for the USDT to arrive. So as you can see, I received my money, the USDT, at 11:26. So in about 3 minutes, I received the money, the USDT I withdrew from EFSANE. So remember, I asked you to pay attention to the amount of USDT I'm withdrawing from EFSANE. So here is it, 14.21 arrived. Exactly the amount of USDT I placed withdrawal for. So if there is anyone still having doubt on this project, share this video to them and keep on earning. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe.